Android default settings, you need to turn on. Go to Settings at Google. Click on the three dots and turn off the diagnostics. Next, go to Connections and More Connections. Turn off the nearby scanning.
Here's another Samsung feature that iPhone users wish they had. Go into your settings, then tap on Advanced Features and scroll down to where it says Motion and Gestures. Tap on Palm Swipe to capture. And now whenever you swipe your palm on the screen like that, it'll take the screenshot. How cool is that? Hopefully this helps. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Test iPhone trick. If you have an iPhone, try this. Press plus. Make sure it's connected. Type whatever it wants to say when charged. Turn it off. Forgot your PIN code? Then follow this tip. First power off your S7. Then power on while holding power, volume up, and home button. Use volume down to go down and select white cast with power button. Then select wipe data, then remove. Now you can use the phone again.
Wi-Fi password in less than 15 seconds. Step 1. Go to your phone and install Wi-Fi Map Treatbox. When you're done, hit the open button. Then tap on Open Map. You can see that there's 47 hotspots nearby. Tap on that, and then let's tap on Absa Towers West. This is their password. Like and follow for part 2 video.